Hello, my name is Beatrice Veidenberg and I'm a graduate of the European Languages and Cultures Master's Program in Classical Philology at the University of Tartu. Today I'm excited to share with you some key features that make this program unique. I encourage you to also explore the program's website for more detailed information. Also, I will comment on my own experience as a student in Tartu, now having experience with a full cycle of studies at the University of Tartu. European Languages and Cultures is a 2-year master's program that develops your language skills and gives you an in-depth knowledge of modern or classical cultures. The study building is located right in the center of Tartu. In total, you can choose from 7 specialities. Each speciality has its respective language as the main language of study, except for classical philology, where most courses are taught in Estonian, alongside ancient Greek and Latin. As I mentioned earlier, the European Languages and Cultures program serves as an umbrella for 7 distinct specialities. There's classical philology, English language and literature, German language and literature, there's also Russian and Slavic philology, Scandinavian languages and literature, French language and literature, and also Spanish language and literature. Previous studies in linguistics or literature are not a requirement. You just need a BA degree, interest in the field, and sufficient language skills to take part in master's level courses. For example, I studied French for my bachelor's degree, but entered the MA program for classical philology, and I'm now doing a PhD in classical philology as well. So why select this program? In general, our study groups tend to be relatively small, which allows for a more personalized approach. Whether you're a budding researcher or have a passion for languages, the program offers flexibility, and you'll find a variety of elective courses to cater for your needs and interests. Additionally, students are encouraged to undergo practical training in Estonia or even abroad. There are many possibilities to study abroad for a semester or 2, allowing you to gain more insight into the academic life across Europe. The French and Slavic departments even have a double degree program with the University of Lyon in France, meaning that students complete a year at each university and receive diplomas for both universities. During my master's studies, I spent 2 semesters in Paris, where new connections and a somewhat different approach helped me to concretize my academic interests, alongside seeing other cultures and various ways to interpret our environment. As a result, I'd say that studying abroad is a perfect blend of academic growth and cultural discovery. For those who are more practically inclined and do not necessarily wish to write a research thesis at the end of the program, there is also an opportunity to finish with a practical project, such as putting together an exhibition, making a documentary, and so on. Courses supporting the thesis writing process or the project's organization start from the first semester of study, so it is viewed as a continuous effort in collaboration with supervisors. As with all university programs in Estonia, the program consists of modules. First and foremost, you have courses in your specialty module, which is the only fixed part of the program. Also, there are courses related to the MA thesis or project during both years of study. So from early on, you're working on an idea that has time to grow and ripen. The rest can be picked according to your interests and needs. Depending on whether you are more drawn to linguistics or literature, there are 2 graduate schools to choose from. There is a graduate school in linguistics and translation and a graduate school in humanities that brings together master's students from different programs. Both are intended to give an in-depth view into one of the 2 fields and provide a forum for knowledge sharing and discussion with other professors and students with similar interests. The University of Tartu actively encourages its students to gain hands-on experience in their chosen fields by engaging in practical training. Depending on your area of study and personal interests, you can select the opportunities that best align with your goals. Students of the European Languages and Cultures program, for example, have pursued practical training in a variety of fields, including lecturing, conference organization, library and archival work, translation, webmastering and design, corpus tagging, and even formal employment at the European Parliament. The professors involved in teaching the courses of European Languages and Cultures MA program are renowned scientists and specialists in their field and publish actively in international journals. Many staff members are also practicing translators and contribute to Estonian cultural life. Most of the courses take place on Lossi Street, right in the heart of town, in a modern and welcoming building equipped for all sorts of student activities. Graduating from the University of Tartu opens doors to a wide range of career opportunities, as the university supports diverse pathways for professional development. Given the program's focus on cultures and languages, graduates are well suited for roles that demand cultural competence and foreign language proficiency. Career prospects include positions in state institutions, universities, embassies, museums, libraries, publishing houses, and private companies, among others. These possibilities are extensive and largely depend on the individual interests and aspiration of each student. For more information, go to the program's website. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Welcome to Tartu.